how to get $100 Lyft promo code. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the any web browser on your mobile device, and once inside the web browser, you can see the search address bar at the top. Now type down $100 Lyft promo code there. Now, after you do so, search for it and tap on the first option available there. Once you tap on the first option available there, you'll be navigated to the offered page. Now here you can see 50% off option available there. If there is no 100% off order, then just know that somebody has already took it from this website. So you need to take any one from this because others are not available. So here I am tapping on the 50% off. Once you tap on the 50% off, now all you have to do is enter your phone number by choosing the country or region of yours and submit the link. So now wait patiently and they will send you the verification or the link that will help you download the $50 promo code of Lyft. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.